Alright, welcome back everybody. I just got here into this park where I walked the trail all the way up and back. Not actually all the way up. I did break about halfway because there was just stairs that went 200 feet straight up and I was not having that. But as you can see, I found this little thing right here. That is the reason why you should go straight in and back. We got this little, I have it put up right here for an exposure, and it's a great shot on its own. But say we want more light, we want more dynamic light in it. And I don't have any lights. I don't have any lights to like light it up from underneath or to light it up from above or from the front, behind. So instead what I am going to try using is my cell phone. Alright, so what I'm going to try to do is set you guys right here. So you can kind of, right there. Then we're just going to use my phone to light it up and take a picture. And then, so what I'm also doing is I'm hitting the branch right here to light that up. Now if I want to light up underneath it, what I could try to do, as these bees swarm around, put a white card underneath it. So that white card is basically just my business cards. And this isn't going to be bright enough probably, but base it down, see if I can get it to bounce the light up and underneath it. A little bit, I would need a stronger light. Probably have it like go like this. Or have the card flipped this way. Come on, you can bend. And then try to yeah, so I got a little bit better light underneath it. But that's really all you need to do. If you ever forget lights or you don't have any lights, just get creative, use your cell phone. Try to really punch in there. See your limits on how close you can get your phone and get the shot like that. And you got good photos. So in short, don't worry if you don't bring everything, and you don't really need to bring everything. Just have a white card or a dark card if you want to take away light, and a camera. There you go.